I don't know anyone here.
Hey, are you here for the meetup too?
Yes. But I feel a bit nervous. I'm not great at starting conversations.
Me too, honestly, but we just did it.
That's true. That was not so hard.
In this video, we practice meeting new people and making friends in English, step by step.
Act 1. Saying hello and introducing yourself. Okay, I can do this, just say hello. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, go ahead. I'm just waiting for the event to start.
Thanks. I'm a bit nervous. I've never been to one of these before.
Don't worry, it's my second time. Everyone is friendly.
That's good to hear.
I'm Ben, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Where are you from?
I'm from Poland. I moved here about 3 months ago.
Oh, cool. How do you like it so far?
I like it. But making friends in English is still a bit hard for me.
I understand, but your English sounds really good.
Thank you. I practice a lot. Do you come here every week?
Yes, usually. I like meeting people from different places.
Me too. What do you do for work?
I work in a bookshop. It's quiet, but I like it.
That sounds nice. I love reading.
Really? What kind of books do you like?
Mostly fiction. Stories about travel and new places.
Me too. Have you read anything good recently?
Yes, actually, but I can't remember the English title.
That happens to me with Polish films. I always forget the names.
Huh. It's nice to talk to someone who understands. Starting a conversation is easier than you think. Try, hi, is this seat free?
To introduce yourself, say, I'm Ben, by the way. It sounds natural and relaxed.
For small talk, ask about shared experiences. Try, do you come here often?
To keep the conversation going, ask, what do you do? Or, how do you like it here? Act 2. Joining a conversation and social moments.
They look friendly. But how do I join without interrupting? Excuse me. Sorry to jump in. What are you talking about?
Hey, we're just talking about the best coffee shops near here.
Oh, I love coffee. Can I join you?
Of course, the more the better.
Thank you. I'm Anna, by the way.
I'm Ben, and this is everyone.
Nice to meet you all.
Do you know any good places around here?
There's one on Park Street. I go there a lot.
Oh, the one with the big window?
Yes, I love sitting by the window.
Me too. Maybe we should go there sometime. Hey, a few of us are going for coffee after this. Do you want to come?
That sounds really nice. I'd love to.
Great. We're leaving in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. Where are you going?
The place on Park Street. The one with the big window.
I know it. I'll be there.
But sometimes you're tired, and it's okay to say no.
That's true. What if I'm not feeling up to it?
You can say, that's really kind, but I'm a bit tired tonight. Maybe next time?
That's a nice way to say no without being rude.
Exactly. And people always understand.
Good. Because sometimes I really am just tired.
Same. No pressure. That's what friends do.
To join a conversation, try. Sorry to jump in. What are you talking about?
To invite someone, say, do you want to come? Or, we should go sometime.
To accept politely, that sounds great. I'd love to.
To decline politely, that's really kind, but I'm a bit tired. Maybe next time?
Act 3. Exchanging contacts and ending the conversation warmly. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Me too. It was really nice to meet you.
Can I ask something? I feel a little awkward.
Of course. Go ahead.
Would it be okay if we exchanged numbers? In case you want to get coffee sometime.
Definitely. I was going to ask you the same thing.
Oh, really? That makes me feel less nervous.
Here, I'll type my number in for you.
Great. I'll send you a message so you have mine too.
Perfect. Are you on Instagram too?
Yes, my name there is just my first name, Anna.
Found you. I'll follow you now.
Done. Now we can stay in touch.
I think the event is finishing now.
Already? That went fast.
I know. Time flies when you're having a good conversation.
That's true. I'm glad I came tonight.
Me too. I'm glad you said hello.
Well, it was worth the nerves.
Let me know if you want to get coffee this week.
I will. Maybe Wednesday afternoon?
Wednesday works for me. I'll text you the time.
Great. It was really nice meeting you, Ben.
You too, Anna. See you Wednesday.
See you then. Bye. To ask for someone's number, would it be okay if we exchanged numbers?
To suggest staying in touch. Let me know if you want to get coffee this week.
To say goodbye warmly, it was really nice meeting you.
To confirm plans, Wednesday works for me. I'll text you the time.
At the start, I was scared to say hello.
And now you have a new friend.
All I needed was a few simple phrases.
Is this seat free? I'm Ben, by the way. Do you want to come?
Would it be okay if we exchanged numbers?
Small phrases, but they open big doors.
Next time you feel shy, remember this.
Just say hello. The rest will follow.
We believe in you. Keep practicing.
See you in the next video. And good luck making new friends.